Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Tuesday afternoon and we're going to travel to Thailand right now and we're going to Clark right now. Let's go.
Clark International
Yes.
Airport.
We're here in Clark International Airport already and my dad just take us here and I'm already Georgie inside the airport already.
Bye. Hyomaza in the car. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Passport. Shaira, your passport. Passport. Not to me.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Georgi already waiting us. Hi, Georgi. Passport, Shaira.
So I will pay travel tax right now. Every Filipino who go outside the Philippines, they need some travel tax because you need, example, you need to go to another country. You need to return and you need to tax also.
Can pay travel tax way in the airport?
Yes, in the end of
Okay, you can show where. Okay. Travel tax. Cashier. Full is 160. You have 1620.
I 20, give me 20 pesos.
Are you okay?
Yes.
How much you pay?
1,620.
Okay. Hi everyone, we already finished immigration and custom, and Shaira can explain.
So, guys,
Shaira, you faster.
so for Filipino who want to travel in another country, so you need to first you have the return ticket. You need to print it in and return, and you have also you need to pay for the travel tax. If in online you can pay also, and even here in Clark you can go inside and you can pay for the tax pay, and then you go to check in and then you go to immigration. They will ask you where you going, what hotel, and when you can return in the Philippines, and they will ask also the return tax. that
But
you need to-
they ask about me or not?
they will ask you.
No, they ask. You go with who?
Yes,
Ah.
they will ask who go with you and who's that person who go with you, and they will ask also if how long time you together already, like
They
this,
ask. They
yes.
ask it. Yes.
And how many days like this you stay, how many years, you long time already or not.
Okay. Georgi, I want to ask you why you so long time in the customs? In immigration, not custom, immigration. Why?
They
Maybe,
ask my visa extension.
but you have visa extension online, yes?
Yes, I tell I have extension in internet on the
Yes.
website,
Uh-huh.
but they did not find.
So in
So I
computer
show- I
system
show-
don't have?
I show them receipt, PDF receipt from immigration.
Aha, from website, from
Yes.
website.
And they take a picture of this and go to check something.
Mhm.
So,
So who online extension need to print document beta?
yes, you download from the
Download and print.
Yes, and print.
So if you show screenshot, it's not good. Need to print document.
Of course, you always need to print documents even for hotel, for tickets like this.
Not always, not always. Why
Sometimes.
why online? Online it's mean have in the system.
Yes, but it's more comfortable or more accommodation to a
For stuff easy.
Yes.
Okay. So now time it's 6:45. After 5 minutes we open gate 9 to Bangkok. So we're going to Bangkok International Airport. Our seats last. Ne CR. It's good Shaira for you. Ne CR.
Yes.
Full airplane.
So many tourists.
Always because it's budget airplanes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety
You okay,
precaution,
Shaira?
please unfasten your seatbelt
Hungry?
and put
I
your
already
seatbelt
bought
upright.
food.
Use of electronic
You can eat.
devices
And
such as
later
laptops,
if we arrive
mobile
already in
phones,
Thailand, I want
tablets, and
eat
any
again.
spark-producing equipment
In Thailand
is
you
not
want a
allowed.
3.5
Smoking
hour
is strictly prohibited.
flight to Bangkok.
I can sleep after it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shaira, what is shawarma? Good shawarma.
Yes. Chicken.
Chicken. What you order, Shaira?
TV. It's 20 pesos. Small.
Chips. Small chips.
You can order also Pringles here, Pianos Nova, and drinks also have.
This is menu.
This is online.
Online. We order online before. If not online, where?
This one.
Also beer have 50 peso iced tea, coffee also. Okay. Time now it's already halfway. Half already. We in Vietnam already. Yes. Soon we can see Vietnam. Shaira Valentin already wake up. Valentin, yes. We are last.
We're not the last one.
Yes,
Up there
last.
at the back.
Yes. Traffic. Thank you. Take a look, children have so big bag. Heavy for him. Shaira, TikTok. Follow to Georgi. Georgi no. He always fast. Shaira. So 10 p.m. now in Thailand. How long time you not been in Thailand? Three years. 3 years. 3 years. Okay, so faster, yes? Just put stamp. Okay, so let's go to change money and okay, Shaira, let's go outside already. Exit B. Look, it says tourist police in Thailand. Same like welcome, tourist police.
Welcome to Thailand.
Okay. Georgi always run. I don't know where he go. Okay, stop. You want to buy something? $7-Eleven? Starbucks. Shaira, Starbucks.
Yes. Where are we going?
Georgi want to buy some medicine, maybe strepsils, I don't know. Yeah, pharmacy. I want to buy strepsils. How much strepsils here? Strepsils 49 baht. 49 baht strepsils in the Thailand, in the Philippines 80 peso. I don't know. Well, almost the same. About the same. How much charge? So 49 baht? 77 peso in Philippines strepsils. No, 80 peso in the Philippines in 7-Eleven. So same price. Little bit 3 peso cheaper here. Almost the same. Thai noodles, drinks.
here already in Thailand, and we just arrived, and we go to K-Bank and withdraw some 10,000 pesos, 10,000 baht, and we use GCash card, and they deduct 200 baht.
220 baht.
Yes, 220 baht.
This is bank, ATM. So let's go to our car.
Yes, car.
Yes, not our, we rent with driver. Tom, taxi, Shaira. Это колок из Георгий. Yeah.
It's ready for the work about 10 minutes. It's ready here. You can smoking outside or buy something or this.
Георгий famous and with joke only. Okay.
ไม่มีของเลย
Shaira, can you put also this backpack?
ร้อน
Thank you, thank you. Hi.